Struggling to choose between Honeybook and Squarespace for your business? Let's break down which platform best suits your needs in just 90 seconds. First, let's look at Honeybook. This platform is designed specifically for freelancers and small businesses who need help managing clients. Think of it as your all-in-one client management hub. Honeybook excels at managing projects from start to finish. You can create custom invoices, automate payment reminders, and even set up contracts directly within the platform. See how easy it is to customize these templates. This ensures you get paid on time, every time. Now, let's switch over to Squarespace. Squarespace is a powerful website builder that makes it simple to create professional websites, even if you have zero coding experience. Squarespace shines when it comes to building an online presence, especially if you plan to sell products or services directly from your website. It offers robust e-commerce tools, making it easy to manage your inventory, process payments, and track sales. So, here's the key takeaway. If your primary need is comprehensive client management, automated invoicing, and project organization, Honeybook is the clear winner. But if you're primarily focused on creating a beautiful, functional website with e-commerce capabilities, Squarespace is the better fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific business needs. Consider what's most important for your business right now and choose the platform that aligns with those goals. Make your choice and power up your business.